Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ashari Imamuddin from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Muhammadiyah Cileungsi. It is an honor for me to have a chance to present our research output. Our research title is User Acceptance Test on an Enterprise System based on Software Requirement Specification. The introduction. Main function of the software user acceptance or UAT is to evaluate, verify, validate software quality. UAT results are the reason of decision of software operation. This paper proposes requirements-based UAT on Kinova ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. This is research methodology. Firstly, we conduct exploring software requirement specification of the software, Kinova ERP, and then develop functional requirement dependency matrix. Then we plan user acceptance tests. By the planning and the functional requirement dependency matrix, we develop test scenarios. Then we develop test cases and conduct tests and raise issues and bugs. Then we resolve issues and fix the bugs. This is results and discussion section. And here is business requirements of the software. The software comprises customer management, sales, product delivery, customer invoices, account receivables, bank receipt. And then in the side of vendor, there is vendor management, procurement, good receipt, vendor invoices, account payables, and bank payment. And the system also provides for recording expenses, petty cash, fixed assets, automation, account journals, and general ledger. General ledger is generated by journals. And then from the data, we make accounting and financial report producing by the system. This functional requirement dependency matrix or FRDM, this figure determinant module and dependent modules. Clients is determinant of client pricing module, and then client pricing modules influence sales delivery. Sales delivery is based on client invoice, and then sales delivery used for client invoices based of sales performance and PR aging, and also client payment. Client payment produced by client invoice and also change sales performance and PR aging. And also vendor used for vendor pricing module determine vendor invoice and also accounting. As summary of the metrics, most of the modules determine accounting journal. So sales delivery generate account journals, and client invoice generates accounting journal, and the last one, fixed assets, also generates account journal in terms of depreciation of fixed assets. Accounting journals generate general ledger, trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss. From the FRDM, we can generate module dependency network or MDM. This the way how we figure the metrics. We translate the metric into network. So client pricing determine sales delivery influence client invoices and also accounting journal, and client invoices generate our aging and sales performance. Client invoices also generates accounting journal and so on. And here in the bottom we have vendor pricing, receive, vendor invoicing until memorial journal. This generates accounting journal or determine accounting journal. From the journal, the system generates general ledger, trial balance, and trial balance generate balance sheet and profit and loss. And here is the test result. We are running the test 4 times. Firstly, test using we test all modules with 82 test cases, and from the number we have number of pass 66 and 8% pass, and the rest is fail. And then we retest the 16 number of fails after the developer and system designer and system programmers fix the issues and bugs, and then we retest the 16 test cases, and then 10 are the 16th passed, and the remaining is six number of fails. And then the third round we retest the 6 test cases, and the result is 4. The remaining is 2. The last test is 2 test cases, and then it pass all of the test cases. And after 4 rounds, all of the tests, all of the test cases are tested, and the pass number is all of the number of test cases. This is the conclusion of our result or our research. The research produced FRDM and MDM as tools to guide the UAT team in prioritizing the test execution. Tools developed by requirements as foundation and used by the QA team understood. Testing of the system is performed for 4 rounds, and the fourth round produced all the remaining test cases successfully met the requirements. And the last one, UAT in a large system as an ARP is a big and complicated processes with the result that it can be considered as a project independently, can employ agile methodology in conducting UAT. That's all my presentation and thank you for your kind attentions.